dollars to qualify, then allowing yourself $250 or $300 of risk is perfectly acceptable, because that essentially means that each one of your units is one each that's basically 10 units to get to that 3,000, right? So $300 worth of risk is definitely proportionate for that. Okay, you wouldn't want to be betting $1,000 a unit, because that would be a third of your bankroll. But to bet $300 on a trade, which is 1/10 of your bankroll, that's perfectly acceptable. Okay, so right here you have your rally base drop here, and then if we then put in the trade visualizer here. Okay, so there's your front line, here's your back line. I would give it an extra, let's say give it an extra 4 ticks here. So since the back line goes to 58.48, I would put the back line at 58.42, 58.52, and then that precisely makes a, where am I off by? I'm off by 1/2 a tick somewhere. I'm not going to worry about it now, but this should be precisely 20 ticks, okay, which would mean that this would be a $200 of risk per trade, okay. And then if we then go to and do our measured move here again,